Here we have the Pabts Blue Ribbon 17-can mini fridge. Here's the Pabts Blue Ribbon logo. Here's how the fridge should look once I pull it out of the box. Turn it to the side. There's the inside with beer cans. The pull tab. Compact portable design. Removable inner shelf. Thermoelectric cooling. Pull tab handle. Time to pull it out of the box. There's a styrofoam. There's the pull tab. I had to set this on the floor to pull it out. Here we go. And here it is. Setting it on the table. Looks like a real can of beer. Spinning it. Looks pretty cool. Here's a closer look. There's the pull tab. Established in Milwaukee in 1844. 12 fluid ounces. 355 milliliters. You got some writing down there. Turn it to the side. There's where the plug goes in. The on-off switch. Open it up. Here we have power cord. The instructions. And you have the divider. And you have this at the bottom. Let's go ahead and insert this. There you go. And there you have it. Don't forget to subscribe.